In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and prototype data tables in Figma. Begin by opening Figma's plugins with Ctrl and /. Install the Table Creator plugin and use it to generate an editable table with the number of rows and columns you need. The plugin gives you clean, padded cells to work with, so you can focus on design decisions instead of manual setup. Next, set up an atomic structure so your table is easy to maintain. Create a base component for a generic cell. From that, create a header cell and a body cell as separate components. This hierarchy lets you make global updates later. If you change padding or type style in the base, every instance will follow. Make the table responsive with Auto Layout. Inside each cell, set the text layer to fill container so it stretches as content changes. Set the cell frames themselves to fill container as well, allowing them to resize with the table. Then set the overall table frame to auto layout horizontal or vertical depending on your layout and set spacing between columns and rows to 0. This keeps the grid tight and consistent. Now fill in your table details, like labels in the header and data in the body, and watch the layout adapt automatically. Style the table for readability. Apply a light gray background to header cells so they stand out. Add bottom strokes to define row boundaries without heavy borders. Keep padding consistent across all cells. Even spacing makes scanning easier and helps with alignment across columns. Move into prototyping with a simple hover. Create a component set for your row or cell with two variants, default and hover. In the hover variant, adjust the fill color to a subtle highlight. In the Prototype tab, add an interaction that switches to the hover variant on mouse enter. Adjust colors as needed for contrast. Then add connections by dragging the blue arrows between variants, setting the trigger to on-click with Smart Animate as the action. This creates a smooth transition for click states. Repeat this process for any other rows or states you want to support. Draw a frame for your mockup, then drag your table component from the Assets panel into the frame. Click Present to preview how the hover and click interactions feel in context. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.